Hey guys! Okay, today I'm gonna do soap brows. I finally got a bar soap, and this one's actually native because I'm trying a little bit all natural stuff lately. So I wanted to try the soap brow trend. I am so late, but we're gonna try it out and we're gonna see what we think. So I have my, I couldn't find another spoolie, so you know what, I'm just gonna use double-ended brush that I have from a couple other things, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. But I have a few of these, so I'm just gonna use this one as like kind of like a spare. And then I have the cap just to keep it from getting everywhere. But from what I've seen in other YouTube videos, I spray it with Max Fix Plus on the spoolie, and then run it through the bar of soap, and then run it through my brows. So hopefully this goes well, because I just did my eyebrow tint. So we'll see what happens, and we'll see if I ruin it. If not, then hopefully whatever. Let's go. So we'll do, oh, I just almost sprayed that up myself. So this I did 2 sprays just so it, I don't know, I did 2 sprays, and then I'm gonna take my bar of soap and then run it across. I don't know how this is gonna work. Huh. I don't know if it's supposed to be a lot or a little, and how exactly it's supposed to work. I'm still trying to grow out my brows, so bear with me guys, but like, that's actually not bad. Never mind, it's falling. My brows never stay up, but I also think maybe it's just because of the way that I did the soap brows. Maybe if I, oh shit. Maybe if I added a bit more Fix Plus. I'm gonna see if it works better now. Maybe I didn't have the brush wet enough, and like that's kind of what it looks like. I honestly think I'm ruining the tint, but oh well. Ooh, it's starting to work a lot better. Oh yes, 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 yes. Ooh, guys! Not so brow, so brow. That's so good. Why have I waited so long to like be on this trend? Oh, that's so good. I totally think I ruined my tint and just wasted 2 hours, but you know, okay. We'll see how that goes, but maybe we'll check in tomorrow and see how my tint went. I am gonna do the other brow and just be right back. Et voila! Guys, that's actually, I think I just found my new way of doing brows. Guys, if you know me, you know I hate brows. I hate doing brows, and I hate filling them in. It takes so much time, so maybe tinting my brows, leaving it for a day, and then doing the brows. But maybe, yeah, but I don't know, this is kind of genius. And like this, I don't remember how much this was. I think it was like either $4 or $8, but you order this online. By the way, none of this is sponsored. I bought a set to try from Natural Deodorant, and these came with it, and I was like, oh, I can try soap brows now. But yeah, so this was like stupid easy, and I really like it. Guys, I've never been able to, like, first of all, I'm growing out my eyebrows, and second of all, I've never been able to have them, like, standing up like that. Like, what? Anyways, yeah. Try it, honestly. This is, like, so cool and so easy, and this literally took me no time at all. Probably a lot faster than tinting my brows. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching this quick little soap brow video, and if you try it for yourself, let me know, because that was fun. And this is like super easy brow look. I mean, like, I don't really have to fill that in, and that's kind of nice. I'll let you go. Okay, bye guys.